this tip is about Facebook specifically. I know there's a lot of you out there that use it, and I want to give you something that is a model for using the app during exam season that's actually going to allow you to still use it, get the value out of it, but you'll be in control of it. So the one thing I want you to try and minimize is scrolling up and down the newsfeed. Why? Because so much content gets put into that your attention is going to be dragged to different areas, and before you know it, I know we all do it, I do it, an hour's gone and you just say, oh, where's that time gone? And it's been spent in the Facebook newsfeed watching video after video, autoplay after autoplay. Yeah, it's funny, yeah, it's entertaining, but it's taking us away from what we're trying to do in this period of time. So my recommendation is use these two buttons that I'm about to tell you more than scrolling up and down the newsfeed. Number one is notifications. Just click on that notifications button, see what you've been notified of. If it's relevant, yeah, react to it, do whatever you need to do, and then pop out the app. Number two is events. If you have an event on, or if you've been invited to something, or there's something you want to go to, do your bit there, figure out what it is, say yes or no, whether you're attending, and then pop out the app. It's the things in the newsfeed which take up the most of our time and attention. If you can limit yourself from literally doing that action, you're going to pop A's. You're going to be on your way to A-Town and actually getting stuff done this exam season. So let me know how it goes, check in with me again, and hope it goes well for you.